Viewers, my name is Fatima Umar Mustafa from Konkosia Reporters TV. Citation of Engineer Dr. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. Engineer Dr. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso was born on 21st October 1956 in Kwankwaso town, Modobi local government of Kano State, into the royal family of Alhaji Musa Sali, the Dagachi of Kwankwaso. As a young boy of about 3 to 4 years, his father, who is an Islamic scholar, introduced him to Islamic education, in which his performance was well beyond the expectation of his Islamic teacher. His Islamic teacher later encouraged his father to enroll him into the Western education because of the talent he noticed in the young Rabiu and his willingness to even learn faster than his colleagues. 2 years later, Master Rabiu was enrolled into the Kwankwaso Primary School in the year 1962 to 1969 to start his Western education. After successfully completion of his primary school education and his willingness to learn at any available opportunity, he got admitted into the then Woodhill Craft School in the year 1970 to 1972, and later Kaduna Polytechnic in the year 1975 to 1980. Being one of the best performing students in the school during the year, Rabiu was offered an automatic special admission, the ASA opportunity, which only few students do enjoy those days, to further his education at Middlesex Polytechnic, United Kingdom in the year 1982 to 1985, and Nottingham University in the year 1987 to 1991. Intermittently, he attended some certificate course at Derby National Water Council in the year 1982, the Derby Water Industrial Training in the year 1985, and London Industrial Training in the year 1985. He obtained both national and higher diploma in civil engineering from Kaduna State Polytechnic, postgraduate diploma in MSc Water Engineering from Middlesex and Logoborg University, respectively in United Kingdom, and Doctor of Science from University of Maiduguri, Borno State. The young energetic Rabiu was then served in the civil service for 17 years, between the year 1975 to 1991 as an engineer. People around him that had known his capability insisted that he should represent them in the House of Representatives, although he initially refused their request. But the matter was later tabled before his father, who later told him to oblige to their request. He was therefore elected member House of Representatives in the year 1992. Again, Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, delegate to Constitutional Conference in the year 1994. Elected Governor of Kano State in the year 1999-2003, Minister of Defense, Federal Republic of Nigeria from 2003-2006, Special Advisor to the President on Somalia Affairs 2007, and representative of the Northwest Zone in Niger Delta Development Commission, the NDDC, from the year 2009-2010, and again elected as the Executive Governor of Kano State from the year 2011-2015. And in 2015, at the expiration of his second tenure, Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso was elected as the senator representing Kano's Central Senatorial District, as the senator who scored the highest number of votes in the federation. During the APC presidential election in 2014, Dr. Rabiu Musa contested for presidential tickets along with others, which he came second after Muhammad Buhari. As the governor of Kano State, he can currently be described as one of the best 3 governors the state has ever had. This claim can be justified going through his records of service. For instance, apart from other institutions he created, he established 2 universities, which is the Kano State University of Science and Technology and the Northwest University, which is currently known as Yusuf Maitama Solo University. His quest for educational development of the state cannot be wished of. Kwankwaso did not only created more institutions of learning, he also created many employment opportunities for the youths. He engaged many women in trade after empowering them, created many schools for the youths to learn trades and crafts. He is indeed a pace-setter governor. This conclusion is easily traceable in